What is going on, everybody? Today we are testing out a new product. It's a throttle body. We're going to be testing 0 to 60 in quarter mile, and we're going to see how that product goes. Also, my Ram Trucks t-shirt just came in, so please pick yours up as soon as you can get it on Teespring. Link in the description for that and all the other t-shirts. We're going to install this product, and then we're going to do some testing. All right, here's my 84mm Fastman throttle body. To get this thing off, it's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 1 here, and 1 over here. And you plop this. It pulls off very, very easy. Just pull that out. There's a tab in here somewhere. It comes out. Let's pop this throttle body off. You can see, very easy. You never want to over tighten this. It does come off very easy. And then I'm going to put it side by side with the other throttle body and do a comparison of both. So as you can see, yes, as you can already see, this pops right off. Very easy. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to get back with you guys in 2 seconds after this is off. And I'll show you side by side what they both look like. And then we'll install the other one, put the air intake back on, and do some tests. So this is beautiful craftsmanship unlocked. Also, guys, this is not the finished product. The finished product is actually fully polished. This is a picture of the finished product next to the stock product. But this product here is a testing product, and the finished one is going to be fully polished. Looks absolutely beautiful, and it's a great product. Like I said, this thing, we're going to put it on and we're going to try it out and see how everything goes. But so far, I'm really liking the actual quality and the look of this thing. It looks beautiful, and we'll see how it does. All right, here's the side-by-side. Here is the 84mm Fastman that I have that's recommended for cam and bigger cubic inches and stuff like that on the 5. Not the bigger cubic inches, but more motor work on the 5.7. And here's the Elitehemiperformance, which it's hard to say what's more. This is a very, this seems like it's a little thinner, which, yeah, it is. This is actually a little bit bigger opening here than the 84. I can feel the walls. The walls is actually a little bit thinner, which means it's a little bit more ported than this. This is more ported than the 84. So far, very nice, very good. But inside, it's hard to port it all the way down because of the size of the throttle blade, obviously. But this is, you know, I'm no mechanic, I'm no engineer, I'm just giving my first impressions. We're going to see how it performs on the DRAGGY app that I actually am using to do this testing with, because the track is closed. So we'll be doing some 0 to 60s, and I will see a quarter mile test like that, and I'll give you my impression of how it is. And we're going to throw this guy on, and then when we're done, put the stock one back on, not stock, but my Fastman, and send this one back. And if everyone likes and sees the results, these are going to be for sale right now, and I think they're actually cheaper than this. I'm not 100% sure. I will make sure everyone knows that for sure, but so far this looks like a little bit nicer of a product than the Fastman. The Fastman is beautiful work. So yeah, let's get this on. All right, guys, we just got back from doing the testing with the Elitehemiperformance throttle body. Everything seemed really good. It was running good. I'm going to show you the 0 to 60 in the quarter mile. It was not what I expected. Last time, here's why. The last time at the track, the truck was not performing its best, as everyone knows. Probably 0.2 slower. And when I sent a log to Jay, it was pulling timing.
So he thought it may be bad gas, and I said probably, possibly. So it wasn't running its best. It's still not running at top notch, but this is the best 0 to 60 I got out of it was only a 4.5. Yeah, that's not very well. When I did it last year, it was getting closer to 4s in this weight, and but I'm not even mad about that. I know what the truck can do. I know how the truck performs. It's done a 12.26 at 109. But the best eighth I got out of it in this video, out of all the testing I just did, was 8.2, which is not that bad for full weight. I'll have to actually take that. I'm very happy with an 8.2 at full weight. It's not the best. And the best quarter mile at full weight was 12.93. Remember, this is all on 93 octane. Right now, I actually have Wawa's 93 in. I don't know if it's as good as the gas I usually use, but I'm not at the track trying to get the best time right now. And so I wasn't, planning on, going out and trying to absolutely get the best time. So, and this is the DRAGGY app. This is not at the track. I don't know how accurate this thing is. The one looked like I was going up a hill. The other one looked like I was going down a hill. So the one I was going down the hill had the really good times. And it, said it was unsuccessful because it was a little slope. So these were the best I could get out of it. And now I just put the 84 millimeter Fastman back on. I'm going to do some testing with that and see if there's any difference. I say very, very similar times, but that's okay. If I don't get the best times out of this, which is fine, the times I expect, I'm absolutely okay with that. Now, if this throttle body match, if the Elitehemiperformance matches the 87, the 84 millimeter Fastman, then that's great. Then we know this throttle body is a great throttle body and it works and performs top notch. And you know what I mean. And I will let Jason know who lended this to me to do this video. I'll let him know that, look, this thing's working great. Sell it. Let's get your product out there. I can help you sell it if that's what you want. And if he wants to let me put it on my truck, I will. I'll put it on the truck and I'll help him out, help sell the product. But we're gonna test this, see the difference now. Just put the 84 Fastman back on. Gonna go back out, do another 0 to 60, 8th mile, quarter mile. The quarter mile is a lot harder to get because I'm not at the track and I don't like going that fast. I did it on the highway, so I didn't do it on the side street. I did a 0. The one on the was a 0 to the quarter mile. I pulled over, made sure there's no traffic, did a quick quarter mile on the thing. You'll see me pass a couple cars on the highway at 100 miles an hour. I'm not a fan of doing it like that, but I'm doing this to help promote this product. 0 to 60s are easy. Get that done in 4.5 seconds on the side street or whatever. That's not a big deal. I'm not street racing. I'm just testing out a product. So I'm going to test out the 84 now and see what the DRAGGY app says we got to do with that. And then I'll get back to you guys and we'll go from there. All right, guys, we just got back from doing I did 2 hits with the Fastman. I did about a couple hits with the Elitehemiperformance one, and they're so similar in performance, it's insane. The best 8th mile in both of them was at 8.16, identical 8th miles. 0 to 60 was a little bit faster with the Fastman. And the quarter mile, my best quarter mile was a little bit faster with the Fastman. But if the one that I had at the 8th mile, I got to run out the full quarter mile, it would have been, I don't even know how close. It would have been incredibly close. So these are performing almost identical, which is great. And I'm very, very happy that this product is very good. I definitely recommend this product. Like I said, I would put this on my truck and run this product because of all the testing I just did and the DRAGGY. And this is also, coming from the truck is not even running its best. I don't even have the track intake on. This is just on the street, 45 psi in all the tires, and I spun a little bit on, I say 90% of the passes. It's about 50 degrees out right now. Very windy. I didn't realize how windy it was, so there could have been a headwind holding it back to getting the numbers that it wanted. The best 0 to 60 of the day was a 4:47, and that was with the Fastman. The 8th mile was identical, and the best quarter mile was with the Fastman. But also, the best 8th mile could have been, the Draggy could have beat it. I'm sorry, the Elitehemiperformance could have beat it if I got to run out the whole road, because I did the quarter-mile passes on the highway. I did the quick 0 to 60s and 8th miles on a back road that nobody's on. There's no houses or anything like that. It actually runs next to the highway, and you have to, you know what I mean. I did it there because it's not the biggest road, but it's an empty road, and I don't want to do craziness on any you know, side roads or nothing like that. So that's my intake. That's my take on this. Very good product. I do recommend it. Put it in the comment section if you guys would like to have this product. The polished product is going to be very well. Like I said, I definitely recommend it. I'd put it on and go from there and see how things go. I do have I have some big things coming very, very soon. I know I've been saying this, but actually very soon, because I actually just ordered a new mod. Yes, the very big mod that I've been talking about for a while. If you follow the channel, stay tuned, and you will know very shortly when it arrives. And this mod is going to change the game for this truck, and everyone that, you know, you should know what it is. If not, find out. If you're here for the first time, hit that comment, hit that subscribe button, like, you know, do what you got to do, and you know what it is. To the next one, guys. Peace.